Hey guys, I hope you had a good spring break and a couple days before when I wasn't there. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what you're going to be working on this week. All right, and so what we have due this week, we have our quizzes, which we always do on Monday along with your vocabulary. Wednesday, we're going to do our lab report, and then you're going to take a quick survey. Thursday, you're going to have weather, cause, and effect, and then you are going to create a voice thread presentation about predictions, or actually, I already created it, but you're going to be answering to it. And then Friday, again, we're going to do our Flipgrid check-in along with your clouds and storm infographic is due. So if we go through, again, we're day 6 starting on our vocabulary. You guys have that down packed, so I'm not worried about that. Day 7, which will be Friday, you have your wacky weather, and this is where we will be doing our lab. So you will be with me during the guided reading time, and we will be looking at these 3 different types of storms. Again, don't forget to be tracking your weather every single day. I know we get busy, but it's super important that you do that. The day we get back from spring break, we're going to be working on our cause and effect. So we've talked about cause and effect in shared reading and in science and in math. So now we're going to talk about it again during science and apply it to weather relationships. And we're also going to be taking a brief mid-unit survey. That way I can kind of get a feel for where you're at and how you're feeling about this and if you need any help from me. Tuesday, which is going to be day 9, we are going to be doing a voice thread activity, and this will be new for you guys, so you haven't done it before. Sign in to a voice thread. We'll probably have to create one and we can do that together, but you're going to be predicting the weather, and this is what it's going to look like. You can read the directions later. I don't want to read them since you'll have the chance to. But as you can see, it'll show you a picture of clouds. What do you predict is going to happen? What types of clouds are those? And you'll just go through and you'll record yourself. Don't be embarrassed. I know you guys might be, but just take a step outside of your comfort zone and you'll be awesome. So that's for day 9. And again, they're linked in here. Track your weather. And then day 10, which will actually be a Wednesday instead of a Friday, your Flipgrid open-ended questions, and then your s'more infographic. Make sure that you're clicking on the PBL page to make sure you have all the different requirements. So far, your infographics look amazing, so I cannot wait to see what you guys cook up for week 2. Enjoy!